yeah. All right, Justin just caught himself a nice little rat red.
Choose your fighter.
Likey inspired. Fight.
Welcome back, folks. Daniel Gassa here from Costa Azul Fishing. First, I want to ask you guys that if you guys are not subscribers, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a like and share with your friends. Also, if you want to get notifications of the other videos that I'm uploading, go ahead and click on that bell. I brought one of my subscribers, a young teen who is also in my fishing team, my high school fishing team, and this kid is barely learning how to fish, so I'm teaching him how to catch with lure, and I also brought some dead bait just in case, and I'm hoping that we can get onto some fish. It's been really windy, so it's really hard for me to go out on a kayak. I mean, our winds are like 17 knots or whatnot. But anyways, I'm gonna allow this kid to use the Deadly Dudley, and I'm just gonna let him pop it off the bottom, and also my hoagies, and see if we can catch something. So one fish is all we want to catch. Put this boy on some fish, just one, that's it. We're gonna be here for a couple of hours, probably maybe 2 or 3 hours, so we'll leave after lunch. Industrial fishing in the center of Houston, in the neighborhood, aka the hood. Navigation. Yep, this is where we're at fishing today. Navigation, something new. And I'm out here with Justin. This is my fishing club. The tide is coming in, and that's why there's moving water, and you're going to be able to catch some fish. All right, bring them in, all the way out. Ooh, yeah. All right, Justin just caught himself a nice little rat red. All righty, right there. Yeah. That boy, not a bad little red. Okay, so San River High School, Costa Azul Fishing, first fish. Set him free. Go ahead, put him in there, and he's gone. That boy's gone right there. Yep. First red fish, industrial fishing. Under the bridge to see if we can get some sheep's head around the bridge. Got a nice little red here. That boy chunked it, boy. That boy chunked it. Okay. Woo. Check out this dude right here. Boy, you chucked on the wrong lure today, man. Man, that's what happens when you're trying to eat too much. Dude, I'm trying to help you, man. man. I'm gonna let you go. Get you some air. Alright. Woo, shoot. There he goes. Right there. It's a nice little catch there. Got the skunk out of the way, and now my partner got one and I got one, so that made for a good day, man. That made for a good day. We came out here, and Justin and I, we just had a really good time. We caught a red. You know what? This is not a bad day. Not a bad day to come out and hide here from the wind. Be kind of protected. You know, we have outgoing tide, and so yeah, it made for a good day. Again, thank you so much for watching. See you in the water. Peace out.